Good morning, children. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Today we are going to read a poem which is written by Emily Dickinson. Look at this picture, children. She is the poet and her name is Emily Dickinson. She has written many poems and one of her poem which we are going to read is Out of the Morning. Emily Elizabeth Dickinson was an American poet. She was born in Amherst. Amherst is in Massachusetts. Where is Massachusetts, children? Remember we have studied in history? Yes, it is in America. Most of her poems became famous after her death. Look out, children. What can you see? Is it a morning or a day or a night? It's a day. Correct. In the poem, Out of the Morning, the poet wonders whether morning and day are really places that exist somewhere. If they are, what do they look like? And where are they? This poem explores the world of a child's imagination. What do you mean by imagination, children? Imagination means the ability to create new ideas in our mind. So this poem is all about imagination of a little girl. I will read out each stanza and will explain to you the lines. Alright, children? So are you all ready? Out of the Morning by Emily Dickinson. Will there really be a morning? Is there such a thing as day? So the little girl is wondering, what is morning? What is a day? Where is morning? Could I see it from the mountains? If I were as tall as they? The poet wants to know if there is really a morning or really if there is a day. Can she see it from the mountains? Or if she was as tall as the mountains? Has it feet like water lilies? Has it feathers like a bird? Here, the girl is imagining that morning is a living being. She's comparing the morning with the flowers and birds. Is it brought from famous countries of which I have never heard? The little girl is asking, that is morning brought from some famous countries which she hasn't heard of before. Oh, some scholar. Oh, some sailor. The girl is asking a sailor, a scholar. A scholar means a person who is highly educated, who has studied a lot is called a scholar. She is asking a sailor. Sailor means a person who works on a ship. The girl is asking a scholar and a sailor to tell her where is this place called morning. Oh, some wise man from the skies. Wise means a person who has a lot of knowledge. So the poet is asking a wise man to tell her where is morning. Please to tell a little pilgrim where the place called morning lies. The poet is calling herself a pilgrim. Pilgrim means a person who is on a journey to a place of worship. Children, have you seen people walking to Shirdi, passing in front of our school? You will see them walking and praying and singing hymns. Hymns means the holy songs. Those people are called pilgrims. They go to worship Sai Baba in Shirdi. Here, the girl is a pilgrim who is in search of a place called morning. Understood the poem, children? Come on, let's recite the poem. Out of the Morning by Emily Dickinson. Will there really be a morning? Is there such a thing as day? Could I see it from the mountains if I were as tall as they? Has it feet like water lilies? Has it feathers like a bird? Is it brought from famous countries of which I have never heard? Oh, some scholar, oh, some sailor, oh, some wise man from the skies, please to tell a little pilgrim where the place called morning lies. Children, for your homework, you will read and learn the poem. You are also going to learn the meanings of the unfamiliar words. Alright? Bye. Take care.